Today we are very glad to be here to present our business idea and our project, GPS Robotic Wood Analyzer. Before we go on our presentation, we would like to thank YDC who provide us with a great opportunity and a platform to express our ideas and share our experiences. China is now facing one of the most serious water pollution problems in the world. When we look deeper in this problem, we find that one of the reasons is because of the deficiency in current water monitoring system. Now, let's first look at how the current monitoring system works. For example, here is a river across the city. The local environmental department is required by the government's law to set up several fixed monitoring points in order to monitor the water quality of the whole area. Each monitoring point would look like this. But the problem is there is a gap between the number of existing water monitoring points and the number of monitoring points it actually required. The reason is because it is very high cost. Then it results in the current situation of China's water monitoring system. It is slow, less frequent. It ultimately constrains the water protection in our country. We go further into this problem and then find out why it is very high cost. It is because the number of monitoring points it requires is very high. And then each monitoring point is not cheap. Then, why the number required is very high? It is because each monitoring point is fixed, so it only covers a limited area. Then, we were thinking about if we can transform the traditional fixed monitoring point to be movable, then it is no longer fixed anymore. It also can cover a larger area. So, in theory, one movable monitoring point would cover the whole area if its path can be precisely controlled. Then we come up with our final solution called GPS Robotic Wood Analyzer. It is robotic miniature boat platform which carries chemical sensors and can take water samples, plus a PC-based station, which is a normal PC plus our software. Wireless communication between the two will be established. The users only need to preset the path of the boat platform, and then the GPS robotic wood analyzer will automatically navigate to the destinations and then monitor the water quality data and then transmit the data back. In order for you to better understand the workflow of our product, here there is a video about our first prototype. This is on the user interface of the PC-based station. The user only needs to click at the point on the map. The latitude and longitude will pop up, and you can also specify how many minutes you want the boat to monitor. Here we set up 6 target points. Then the boat will automatically navigate to the destination based on its navigation algorithm. The red triangle shows the direction and the position of the boat. All the monitoring data like latitude, longitude, and also temperature, dissolved oxygen will be transmitted back. When you click the Start Record button, all the monitoring data will be saved in Microsoft Excel format. In case there is any emergency or you want to get back your boat, you just simply switch the boat from the auto mode to manual mode, and then manually control the boat. Right now we have developed our first prototype, and it is working properly. in our final version, in the final version of our product, it will, this is the specification. 可以了。